Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix Show Desktop option of Taskbar is missing or not working in any Windows 11 computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, whenever we used to place our computer mouse cursor on the right side of the taskbar, then it used to show a Show Desktop option here, right? So in order to fix Show Desktop option of Taskbar is missing or not working in your Windows 11 computer, what you need to do is just right mouse click on the blank area of your Windows 11 taskbar and you will see your taskbar settings. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see here taskbar behavior. Just click on it. Now once again scroll down below. Now you will see here one option. Select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. So if this option is being disabled or turned off, then the Show Desktop option of your taskbar will be disabled or hidden or not working. Then just enable it, and now you can close this settings program window. And now let me open one program. Just say File Explorer. And now if I click on the right corner of the taskbar, now you can see the Show Desktop is working again. And now if I move back the mouse cursor to the right corner of the taskbar, you can see Show Desktop option is showing up. So by using this method, you can easily fix Show Desktop option of taskbar is missing or not working in any Windows 11 computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.